friends, in today's video, we will learn how to separate the bubbles from this complex background. So without any further ado, let's get into this amazing tutorial. First of all, select the background eraser tool from the toolbar. In the limits, choose discontinuous and change the tolerance amount to around 90. Paint on the background without lifting the mouse. Now go to the adjustment layer and choose solid color. Here, choose any of your favorite color and hit OK. Bring the layer below and have a look how beautifully the background has been removed. If you find this video helpful, do like it, and for more such tutorials, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon below. Thanks for watching.